Hey there, families, gather around because today I'm going to tell you a magical story called Kubwa's Quest from Lion to King. Deep in the heart of the African savannah, where golden grass sways under the warm sun, lived a young lion named Kubwa. Kubwa was strong and fearless, but he wasn't yet a king. To prove himself worthy, he had to embark on a sacred journey across the Great Valley and return with a symbol of wisdom. As Kubwa began his adventure, he encountered a mighty African elephant named Mzi by a river. The elder elephant, with long, curved ivory tusks, was wise and respected by all animals. "Only a humble heart can be a true leader," Mzi said. "Listen to nature and it will guide you." Kubwa nodded and continued his journey until a leopard named Zuri leapt down from a tree, blocking his path. "If you want to cross my land, prove your speed," Zuri challenged, his golden fur blending with the shadows of the trees. Kubwa accepted. The two animals dashed through the tall grass, dodging thorns and leaping over rocks. Zuri was faster, but Kubwa was clever. He tricked the leopard by making a sudden turn, arriving at the finish line first. "You are not just strong, but smart as well," Zuri admitted, allowing him to pass. Further along, Kubwa reached a dense jungle where a massive silverback gorilla named Bakari stood in his way. His muscular arms and deep, intelligent eyes made him look powerful and wise. "Strength alone does not make a king," Bakari said. "Can you protect those who need you?" At that moment, a cry echoed through the trees. A tiny capuchin monkey was being attacked by a giant python. Without hesitation, Kubwa roared and lunged at the snake, scaring it away. Bakari nodded in approval. "You have the heart of a true protector," he said. Kubwa pressed on until he reached the sacred mountain, where an old wise owl, Nyota, was waiting. The owl, with his large glowing eyes, perched on an ancient baobab tree. "You have learned cleverness, speed, and the importance of protecting others," Nyota said. "That is true wisdom. Go home, young lion. You are ready to be king." When Kubwa returned to the savannah, the animals welcomed him as their new leader. Through courage, intelligence, and kindness, he ruled wisely, ensuring peace and balance in the wild kingdom. This story highlights the beauty of wild animals like elephants, leopards, gorillas, pythons, and owls, each playing an important role in nature. What do you think? Would you like me to add more animals or details? Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing stories. Until next time. Vous êtes-vous déjà demandé à quoi ressemble l'aube dans la savane africaine? En route pour l'aventure? Alors que le soleil doré se lève sur la savane africaine, l'immense paysage d'herbes hautes et d'acacias clairsemées s'éveille. Un majestueux éléphant ouvre la marche, suivi d'une troupe de lions. Haut perché dans un baobab ancien, un élégant léopard prépare son prochain mouvement. Du haut d'une colline rocheuse, Django le lion rugit puissamment, sa crinière dorée au vent. Au bord de la rivière, des éléphants s'aspergent d'eau joyeusement, tout en gardant un œil vigilant sur les crocodiles qui rôdent. À la tombée de la nuit, une panthère noire émerge, se déplaçant silencieusement. Et très haut dans le ciel, un pigargue vocifère plane, plongeant gracieusement pour attraper sa proie. Découvrez la beauté et le drame de la savane. Voici, aventure sauvage, les secrets de la savane. What's something people don't know about the wild? It's more majestic than you can imagine. Scene 1, the sun rises over the African savanna, painting the sky in shades of orange and pink. Elephants graze, lions stir, and zebras trot under the golden light. Scene 2, high in an ancient baobab, a leopard stealthily eyes an impala below. A leap, and the hunt begins. Scene 3. On a rocky outcrop, a majestic lion named Django roars, his golden mane illuminated by the sun. The king of the savannah, Scene 4. At a shimmering river, a family of elephants bathes, water droplets sparkling in the sunlight. Scene 5. As night falls, a mysterious black panther emerges from the dense jungle, its eyes glowing in the dark. Scene 6. In the thick canopy, playful capuchin monkeys swing from branches, while a silverback gorilla named Kum watches nearby. Scene 7. By the river's edge, a giant Nile crocodile ambushes an unsuspecting antelope. Scene 8. Above a deep blue lake, an African fish eagle swoops down, talons extended, catching its prey. Scene 9. Under the moonlight, a pack of spotted hyenas move stealthily, their eerie laughter filling the air. Scene 10. At a vast shimmering lake, thousands of flamingos stand on one leg, creating a breathtaking pink cloud as they take flight. Scene 11. In the Indian Ocean, a humpback whale breaches, a baby whale swimming beside it, while dolphins play in the waves. Scene 12. The Great Migration begins. Hundreds of thousands of wildebeest crossing the plains. A living wave of life and dust. This is nature's untamed beauty. Stay wild.